How you going, guys? Josh from Big Boys Toys here. So I've got my diesel pump fresh out of the box. I'm going to show you how to set it up. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some oil in the pump. Like we said in the previous video, it's the first thing to check, first thing to make sure. After that, we're going to chuck some fresh diesel in, make sure it's all good diesel. Then after that, the battery actually doesn't come hooked up. As you can see here, these leads are hanging off. So we're going to hook the battery up, then we're ready to go. So the first thing to make sure when you're starting your pump, we've got a decompression lever here, as you can see here. So that actually decompresses the engine, so the starter motor's able to turn it over. Then after you do that, you've got this lever here that actually controls the fuel flow in the pump. So you've got to push that down. Then we get our keys, run the ignition. So the keys only run the starter motor, so once you turn them off, it will not turn the pump off. And we've actually got to go back to this lever here that controls the fuel flow, and you push that up and that will shut the pump off. So one thing to remember, every time you do start these pumps, is this decompression. It will save your starter motor, increase the life of it, increase the life of your battery, and it's just better for the pump and the engine altogether.